Hi, TAPTES Model 3 owners. Today we are going to show you our TAPTES Model 3 USB hub. Yeah, this is our new product and it's designed for the Model 3 Dashcam and the Sentry Mode. Okay, let me show you our USB hub. Okay, as you can see, the US hub with 3 from USB-A and 1 Type-C connector, and this is a secret compartment for the dashcam storage. And as you can see, here is a USB-A connector for the dashcam storage. Okay, this is a short cable, and this is a magnet with a 3M tap. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install our USB hub. Okay, first we need to take off our wireless charging pad cables. This is the USB port. You can just plug it in directly without any cables. Yeah. It's very easy to install. Okay, let's connect the wireless charging pad cables. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how it works on our Model 3 Dashcam and Sentry Mode. And this is the SSD, yeah. And we have a 3M tap magnet. You can just stick it on our SSD. Plug in. Yeah. Okay, this secret compartment allows you to store device or hide your data, such as SSD or a USB flash drive, and or other items you don't want to let others know. Okay. Just hide it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it works. And this is a USB flash drive. Okay, you can play music here. Okay, let's start the music. This is the Type-C cable. You can charge your other Type-C devices. Sorry, this is the iPhone. Yeah, start charging. Let me show you again. You start charging. And now I'm going to show you how it works on our TAPTES Model 3 wireless charging pad. And this is the iPhone. It works. Yeah. It's charging. Sorry. Yeah. It's charging. And let me show you. This is the Dashcam. You can see how. Just download it here. Okay, I think this USB hub is really worth to get, and I think every Model 3 owner should have one. Yeah, it's really useful, and it can just keep your Model 3 console look clean and tidy. So it's great. So come and just get one.